Hey Felix, how you doing, old boy? You're very poorly, aren't you, son? Well, we were told over 2 years ago he was in kidney failure, but now it's coming home to roost, isn't it, buddy? What are you saying? What are you saying? Hi guys, we're back again today for another little video. If you're new here, please subscribe and ring the notification bell. Give us a like, show the love. Let's go and see who we can see. I don't know what's happening with this this crazy camera. Who's that? Psst, 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 psst. I need to see the face, really. There's Dennis. All the little stray cats like to hang around in the evening in this field. They've been for food. Who's that over there? Further away. I can't tell. There's Buttercup. They're not looking at me today. We got Mr. Marengo back on cat food today. It seems that he's back to where he was about a year ago, and now he's started to eat the Felix original cat food again. He's a very strange little animal, he really is. So strange. Somebody's finished now. I don't remember this one's name. Some of them have got some weird names. I don't know who that is. Is it Gregory? Maybe it's Gregory. No, I don't think so. Is it a new stray cat? Could be. Could be. There goes Wednesday. Her little sidekick's on my bed asleep. This is Zorro. He likes it there, for sure. He's there every day. It seems we have an awful lot of grey cats around tonight. That's Fred. Look at the size of Fred these days. Little Fred. Used to be tiny little Fred a year ago. That's Cagney. There's Emo. There's Adorable. There's Rudy. He likes it up there. Stefan. So, who is this? Ah, could be Ube. Ube. Yeah, I think it might be. He's a very strange little individual. There's another one. It's Stray Cat Trev. Hey, Stray Cat Trev. Trevor. Is that your namesake over there, Trev? Not your namesake, your doppelganger. Actually, they're nothing like each other. So I don't think that's Ube. We don't know that cat, Trev. Psst, 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 psst. Not reacting to calling. Who is it? He's coming. Where'd he go? It's Doppy. Of course it is, it's Doppy. Sorry, Doppy. I didn't recognise you, baby. Very noisy bird. So all the greys are out tonight. Doppy the dog. Stray Cat Trev. Zorro. Cagney. There's the Enid Beta. Ivy. She's becoming a real bully, is Ivy. What you got? What you got, Ives? There's old Felix looking for some more food. Chili pepper. Just finishing up someone's dinner. It's quiet tonight. Ah, there's Rango. So he's back on the cat food. He's gone off everything else. Maybe that's his body telling him he needs taurine. Who knows? Probably. Another strange little individual. Magic. Looking a bit better today. Because the weather's cooler. Who's this? Whoa, Magic! He nearly fall down and kill me. Yeah. Daphne. Ah, who's that? Ah, it's the new stray cat. He must like Daphne. Not sure who that is. Possibly Prince. Zorro's brother. It's Mickey and Dennis. Hey Mickey! Two friends. Two very good friends. Stefan! No fighting, Stefan. Stop fighting with people, Stefan. Steffi, don't touch Mickey. Stefan. Thanks, Stefan. Crazy boy.